What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here today. As you can see, we did get rejected at this resistance up here in this supply and demand area. We're going to be going over this today, though, so hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to support the channel, go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link in the description or the Cash App link. It will really help me out a lot. And I'm definitely going to start doing some live streams as well. So definitely check that out. And if you want these automated trade signals, definitely check out Vital Algo. The link in the description. You can definitely check that out now and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. So let's get on with this video. As you can see, when we hit the supply and demand area right here, you can see that we actually had a chance of reversal here, which was actually a true chance of reversal. The second we got up here, we almost broke out to this next supply demand area, but we actually ended up on a downtrend. And what this red area means, I said this in multiple previous videos, whenever you get in this red area, it's telling you that there's not enough demand. So inevitably, when Dogecoin reaches one of these red areas, there's not enough demand, so we come back and pull back just a little bit. So this pullback was not completely a little bit, it was like a lot of it, if you want to say it like that. But anyways, it kind of pulled back here, and now you can see we're trying to rise here again. We were previously oversold, and that's actually on this downtrend here. You can see we started to oversell on the downtrend, and now that we're actually at the bottom of this downtrend, we're starting to come up on an uptrend. You see on the oscillator here that we're actually going into some green movements here. So we definitely have some good potential here with Dogecoin. We just gotta continue to watch out for what happens next. Now, if you go over here and look at the dark pool / institutional interest, you can see, let's wait for it to load here. You'll be able to see that in a second here. So yeah, right here around this area, moderate activity expected for institutional interest and dark pools, pretty much meaning that the big whales, the large buyers, they're having more interest down here because it's a more attractive price. You could tell the second that we reached this price down here where the moderate activity is expected, you can see that we started to go up because moderate activity was expected. And then right here at this blue area, it shows that we're actually about to have a high activity of whales. So we should have some whales buying in some more, maybe getting us up to 2075, 2475, somewhere around there. And then, eventually trying to retest that resistance that we just now got rejected at. So there's definitely huge potential here with Dogecoin. I definitely have some high conviction with Dogecoin. As you can see with all my Dogecoin videos, I'm really supportive of Dogecoin. I definitely believe in Dogecoin and what Dogecoin can do for the future. There's a lot that Dogecoin has going on for it. As you can see, the bulls are taken over by 60% in market control. So we have 60% on the market control, and then the other 40%, the remaining 40% is bears. So the bears are trying to take over. And you can see right over here when we were trying to pass this supply demand area, we almost did, but then we hit a chance for reversal, and it was inevitable. When you see Vital Algo say chance of reversal, is almost always a reversal that happens right after it says chance of reversal. And it says it right at the peak, right at the peak of the green candlesticks is at the peak of our overbought area here. With the oscillator, you see that it was overbought here at the peak. Then after we peaked on this overbought oscillator, we then ended up going down on this downtrend. But the downtrend was oversold. It wasn't even a slight downtrend. It was actually a pretty strong downtrend here. But yeah, this is definitely a good little technical analysis here. I'm going to show you all to technical analysis from some other people's points of view and let you know exactly what they think. So here with trading view, or not trading view, but FX Street. Yeah, FX Street. So Dogecoin price action sees a rejection at the top side of a pennant. And that's exactly what I'm talking about there. We've seen that rejection there. So Dogecoin bulls saw their profit halted at 29 cents. And so the Doge price rejection on the red descending trend line keeps Dogecoin price action stuck in a pennant. So with profit taking happening across the board in several cryptocurrencies, any further upside in Dogecoin price looks to be muted. That's pretty much what's happening. And a lot of people are taking their profits out. Looking at it at the 15-minute chart, go ahead and take off these indicators and then put the auto on. You can see like a lot of people are taking profits. Like the second we break one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, which is our resistance, we usually just end up going right back down because people just end up selling and selling out all the time. And then if we bring this back up, you can see bulls are still in control by 80% when you look at it from the 15-minute chart. So even at the 1-minute chart, you've seen it was about 60% bulls. Now at the 15-minute chart, 80% bulls, which means we're pretty bullish. Dogecoin price action will consolidate in the coming weeks, followed by a bullish outbreak. This is the big statement here, followed by a bullish outbreak. So Dogecoin price action is still in an uptrend since February 2021. Dogecoin bulls use each test on the trend line to rejoin or add positions to their Dogecoin price. So what we're seeing a lot is a lot of people adding onto the Dogecoin. I actually want to go over some whales here. So this whale right here, one-time large purchase of $32.7 million, not billion. They came in yesterday with $32.7 million. So that's a pretty big purchase there. And then you got more Dogecoin whales doing the same thing. This Dogecoin whale doing some day trading here, but they made about 100K in about an hour or two. So that's pretty big right there, from 29.4 million to 29.5. So these Dogecoin whales are definitely doubling down. This Dogecoin whale did some day trading here. They didn't really make much money there, but still they're doubling down, and you're seeing a lot of different Dogecoin whales trading. This same Dogecoin whale, look, $24.4 million, and then they sold it at 24.5 million today. And they did that today from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Inside of 1 hour, they made 100K. And that's what these Dogecoin whales are looking at. They're looking at big bucks right now. So the bounce off that green ascending trend line at 19 cents acted as a launching point for a bullish candle that got topped at 29 cents. Around that level, the monthly R1 resistance level comes in, and the red descending trend line from mid-August forms the top side of a pennant. This way, bulls and Doge saw their profit limited to only 50%. So this is the chart they're talking about. So Dogecoin price still sees bulls trying to form a third green candlestick above 26 cents. If bulls succeeded in that attempt, except a preemptive breakout from the pennant and the red descending trend towards 35 cents. So pretty much, if they're saying if we break out of this 26-cent area, which is way up here, let's hit the auto so it looks way better. So yeah, if we break out of this 26-cent area all the way up here, which is at the top of our Fibonacci retracement here, we can actually end up going on a bullish pattern. But as you can see here with the supply and demand, this red bar here, you can see that the demand is pretty low once it gets past 26 cents. That's because people want to buy in Dogecoin lower than 26 cents because they just want to profit off it and they want huge profits. The most attractive price for Dogecoin, you can see, is all the way down here around 23 cents, almost 24 cents, and then it's even more attractive at 20 cents. So that's just telling us that Dogecoin more than likely will not go below 20 cents anytime soon. It will more than likely not go below 22 cents anytime soon because there's heavy demand there. If it hits that area, we're going to see heavy demand by a lot of people. A lot of people are going to want to buy in a Dogecoin around there. So if the consolidation continues and prices are getting further squeezed towards each other with lower highs and higher lows, expect bulls to take the upper hand in Dogecoin price action and face much fewer bears because they would be washed out during the consolidation phase. Bulls then would face less resistance towards 35 cents and eventually to 50 cents. So now they got to talk about the bears thing. They always got to talk about the bears thing after they talk about the bullish. So over here, if bulls forfeit on the ascending trend line, expect 19 cents and 16 cents and then eventually 14 cents for Dogecoin. That's one point of view from there. But then the next point of view, they say Dogecoin is positioned for massive spike towards 35 cents. So we have a lot of different points of views coming at Dogecoin here. This one right here is pretty much saying that Dogecoin price could move towards the Kumo twist, as they say in the Ichimoku, or I don't even know how to say that, Kinko Hyo system, whatever. It's some technical analysis talk over there. Weekly Tenkan-sen at 27.5 is the final resistance before a smooth ride towards 35 cents. We just got to break out 27 cents, then we can have a smooth ride all the way up to 35 cents. But now we're obviously at 24.72 because we got rejected there. But it definitely seems like we're trying to build up some more green candlesticks here. So hitting over here and then going over here to the 1 minute chart, you can definitely see that we're trying to build back some more momentum here with Dogecoin. As you can see, as we just came out of our oversold area, our oversold territory, now we're trying to get back on an uptrend. And then with the vital algo, you can actually see that our uptrend is actually forming right here. And that's why I like vital algo. They tell you right at the beginning of the uptrend. So now we're about to form another uptrend to try to re-break this resistance. Just think about it. Like, you invest here and then wait for it to rise all the way up here, and then you can, do your trades if you want. But I'm not doing any short-term trades right now. But anyways, over here, you can see buyers must invalidate the bearish divergence forming between the candlestick chart and the oscillators. That's exactly what I'm talking about here. You can look at the oscillator here and see how every time we try to break out of this supply and demand area, we always get tackled by overselling. Literally, like, it's like people see it go above 25 cents and they're like, oh no, we're all selling, and then it just gets oversold and Dogecoin just ends up tanking. It just keeps happening left and right. We see this with the oscillator every single time. But yeah, let's go down here and read some more of this. So an explicit close of Dogecoin price above 27.5 zone would fulfill all necessary bullish continuation. So we definitely need to go above 27 cents. But if we keep getting rejected and we can't get above there at all, then eventually 19 cents would go and Dogecoin will collapse, they say. But yeah, I definitely believe we have potential here. People just got to stop selling out. I showed you guys the whales and what they're doing. The whales are definitely doing some price manipulation too. And anyways, Dogecoin price analysis, the Dogecoin price trying to sustain above the 50 EMA. So a lot of people have the same perspective on that we have here, and everyone's really looking at it from the same perspective. So that's pretty much what we're seeing here with Dogecoin. Let's open this up in a new tab so you can see this in a bigger view. So yeah, you can kind of see right there. That's per we're trying to break past right now. So this is all I got for Dogecoin today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. No, this is financial advice. And anyways, the short-term trend for the Dogecoin is still bearish. They say short-term. However, the coin also shows bullish patterns in its chart, which can help the price overcome these barriers. So there's bullish patterns in the Dogecoin chart, but you see short-term bearish stuff happening because of overselling, which means that we're probably about to go on a bullish movement here, which is why you see this uptrend forming now. So yeah, if you guys like the video though, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want to hear about next, because I got a lot of stuff to go over with this. And yeah, if you want to support the channel, definitely hit the PayPal donation button inside of the description, or the Cash App donation link, and donate to the channel if you want. It'll really help me out a lot with the streams. I'm going to start doing some streams here. That'll help me out a lot. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description, and you can get 25% off if you use the discount code Marsellis. And yeah, check all that out, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.